New developments continue to take place in the Ukraine-Russia war. The Ukrainian army continues to change all the balances on the fronts with its counterattack. In particular, while Ukrainian forces are increasing their operations in the Russian-occupied areas, explosions were heard in those areas today. Ivan Fedorov, the mayor of Melitopol, said that residents of the city were startled by the sounds of the explosions for the second day in a row, and that many of these explosions occurred on the morning of August 26. Fedorov made the announcement on the Telegram platform, saying that the occupiers on the Melitopol front have been experiencing a succession of incidents. He said that the events began in the afternoon of the previous day, especially in the northern districts of Melitopol, in towns such as Terpina, Kostinivka, Dmirinya and Voznokisne, where residents heard loud explosions, coming from the direction of Tokmak. Fedorov said that the same explosions echoed in the early hours of today, and that residents of Melitopol again heard explosions coming from the direction of Tokmak, this time from a distance then closer and louder. However, no information was provided on the cause or consequences of these explosions. According to Petro Andrushenko, advisor to the mayor of Mariupol, Russian air defense systems responded in Mariupol on August 26. What do you think about the developments? What do you think caused the explosions in the Russian-occupied territories? We look forward to your views.